Hey everybody, do you ever get this alert whenever you try to open up CCT? Maybe right whenever you start your computer in the morning. You know why you're getting this alert? Well, you're getting this alert because CCT, the licensing for CCT is set up for a delayed start on your computer. So to be able to fix that, all you have to do is come down to Windows and type in services. Click on this services. Services should pop up here. Here we go. Scroll down to Johnson Controls right here. Johnson Controls licensing service. And double click on that guy. And you see how it's automatic delayed start? All you need to do to fix this is make it automatic. And hit apply and then hit OK. And if the service isn't running, go ahead and start the service and you'll be good. Now, whenever you go into CCT, it's going to open up right away. It's going to start that licensing service as soon as you start the computer in the morning. So now you don't have to wait that 2 minutes to 3 minutes for the service to start to get into. See, we should be getting into CCT now. There. Now we're in the CCT.